All right, hello everybody. I'm Jeff Davi with the Monterey Peninsula Home Team, and I'm going to take you through a virtual tour of one of our listings located at 11502 Saddle Road. This listing is located in Bay Ridge, and it's a very, very nice property, a compound, if you will. And let's pull it up right now here. Here's the MLS showing it's 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. 4,606 square feet, priced at $1,849,000. And this is a gated community up above the Monterey hills of Bay Ridge. This particular home is located just off the main drive, about a quarter mile on a private drive, very quiet, very private, and very, very private area when you get out here. Let's look at the 3D tour, if you will. Okay, it's jumping me into the master bedroom. Let's go in the front door, shall we? Okie doke. All right, here's the front door. You come in, and it's got beautiful hardwood floors. There is a stepped up formal living room with this beautiful open beam ceiling, high ceiling. Very nice, great for entertaining. There's a powder room when you come in the home. We go in this way. You've got a dining room to your right. Well, let's head into the family room and the great room with a kitchen. Little breakfast nook with its own door outside to a patio. And it's a beautiful sunny patio with some grass. Here is the Peninsula breakfast bar, if you will. This is the kitchen. State-of-the-art appliances, nice double oven, counter depth built-in refrigerator. And as you see, it's got the 2-level countertop for a breakfast bar. This is the informal family room. High ceilings again, great woodwork in the ceilings. Corner bench windows, seating, fireplace, and again, lovely views. This view is more toward the northwest. So we come back around here, we're going to go into the dining area. Right along the hall here. Let's see. There's a dining room. Now back by the entrance, let's go into the bedroom wing, the upstairs bedroom wing, if you will. First thing we have is a little laundry room to the right. A pretty big laundry room, to be candid. You don't always see such a big room. Countertop with a sink in the back. There's a sink somewhere, there it is. This is all on the main level. Once you get in the house, the laundry room and the bedrooms on the main level. There's 2 more bedrooms downstairs. Here's the first guest room. Nice views out toward the front of the house. It's a good size room. We're not measuring anything, so let's not worry about that. Here's the bathroom, the common area restroom for a tub, shower. Then we go into the master suite, which is the entire end of the house. There's a large room, outdoor balcony. And then you've got the master bath. Separate shower. Quite a large shower there, very nice. And this bathroom has an outdoor area that is private, so you get the light coming in, you see out the window, but your privacy is protected. Little vanities, and then your walk-in closet. What master would be complete without that? Let's go ahead and move now to the other wing of the house, which was the informal living area. And let's go downstairs. Take a look down there. So here you have a lower kind of entertaining room, family room, it could be a game room. It's got outside doors to the patio below the deck above. You've got 2 suites here. There's a bathroom. It could be a common bathroom, or it could be a kind of an ensuite bathroom for this bedroom. Then it comes out, and we've got one more bedroom over here to the right. Over this way. There we go. And this a little bit, this could be a bedroom, could be an office, but you see they have it as an office. So rounds out the 5th bedroom of this property. So here you have a 11502 Saddle Road. It's absolutely a stunning property. It's something you got to see. If you have any interest in it, give me a call at 831-594-3290. And otherwise, I'm going to sign out and say thank you for enjoying the tour. I'm Jeff Davi with the Monterey Home Team.